Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the AI field in Odoo 19 products. So let's search for the products over here and let me consider a product from here. So I'm going to consider the product as blue denim jeans. So once I select this, here you can find the properties or the action of the product. Here you can find edit properties. Afterwards, here you can provide the label. So here I'll be setting the label as top customers. And you can see that we have a new field called AI. So let me enable it. Once I enable this, you can see that we can provide the prompt over here. So let me give the prompt as tell me two customers who purchase this product and quantities that they usually buy. So once it's been given, you can see that an AI field will be added with a label as top customers in the product form over here. So once it's been given, you can click on AI to refresh the values, and here you can see that the quantity is being updated by the AI. So customer A buy 50 quantity of denim and customer B buy 30 quantity of denim. So that's all about the AI field in the product form. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.